Stuck trying to unlink Discord? Learn the exact 3-click method to disconnect in 30 seconds. I'll walk you through each step from login to confirmation. Follow along and you'll be unlinked in no time. First, log in to your Whop account with your credentials. Then, click on your profile icon located in the top right corner. Now, go to Settings from the drop-down menu. In Settings, click on Connected Accounts. Find Discord in the list and click the trash icon next to it. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click on Unlink Account. Finally, click the highlighted button to confirm the unlinking. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.